So right here's my door. It does not show all the way. This is room tour. So give me so this is my dresser. You know, something basic. My desk. Well, it was a computer desk. The other setup is behind me. This is my PS3 controller, my wallet, Sharpie, coins, my work glasses, and then right here is a PS3. And then right here is some chargers, you know. Then my PS4, the CRT TV, and then right here is my little, you say couch, little fucking, what the fuck you want to call it, dresser, which I have my old hacked laptop, which I need to rip out the hard drive in. My clothing stuff, this is where clothes are. This is like wired cords and stuff, you know, I got all my stuff in here. Got my old laptop charger. Then this is where you could say necessities. Then this is where like everything is. Then right here's my keyboard, Chromebook. Yes, I switched to Chrome OS. Headphones, my fan, Monster drink that's actually halfway full. I'm drinking it. PS4 controller, remote, my iPod Touch. Right here, there's my portable charger. Yeah, so I have a cleaner room, so that's nice.